Train travel can be one of the cheapest ways to explore, but only if you do it right. I'm Traveling Tom, and today I'll be sharing 20 smart ways to save money when you travel by train, from booking to meals on board. Train tickets are often cheapest weeks in advance. Midday and late night trains cost less than rush hour rides. Shifting your trip by one day can lower fares significantly. Standard class is often just as comfortable for short trips and way cheaper. Multi-day or multi-city passes can save frequent travelers money. Rail companies send exclusive discounts to subscribers, so make sure you sign up. Pack light. Avoid baggage fees and move easily between stations. Bring your own snacks. Station and onboard food is often overpriced. I like to bring a small, foldable cooler bag. I freeze a bottle of water to keep my food cool. Use a backpack instead of a suitcase. Easier to store and there's no extra fees. Carry a refillable water bottle. Fill it at stations instead of buying drinks. Choose centrally located stations. You'll spend less getting to your hotel. Use public transportation at your destination. Trains, buses, and metros are cheaper than taxis. Walk when possible. Many stations are already in city centers. Bring your own entertainment. Download movies, podcasts, or books ahead of time. Choose unassigned seating when available. Avoid paying extra for seat reservations. Bring a small travel pillow or blanket. Skip onboard comfort fees. Avoid onboard Wi-Fi charges. Use offline content instead. Eat before boarding. Station cafes are usually cheaper than onboard dining. Share meals when allowed. Portions are often large enough to split. Join rail loyalty programs. Earn discounts, free upgrades, and future savings. Train travel isn't just scenic. It can be incredibly affordable if you know the tricks. Like this video. Subscribe for more money-saving travel tips. Comment your best train travel hack below. For even more proven ways to save, check out my ebook, Traveling Tom's 100 Ways to Save Money on Your Next Trip. Available now on Amazon.com.